Hi, I'm Chris from CBP Reality Capture, and we help you measure to the millimeter. The pandemic hit, and we were strictly 100% real estate. Realtors were wanting floor plans, so I started looking around for different measuring devices, and iGUIDE was one of the solutions. Where iGUIDE has really helped our business is in that transition going from photographer to real estate photographer to a full suite of scanning solutions. We use the iGUIDE primarily for real estate and primarily for smaller spaces under 10,000 square feet. The renovators and the construction companies love that they can get an up-to-date glance without having to come on site. We explain to them that you have two people on staff that you're paying for hours and hours and hours, sometimes a couple days, to measure a space. With our iGUIDE, we come in for a couple of hours. Yes, we're going to bill you. That's usually going to get billed into the project, but now you have two people on your staff out generating income for you. It seems like a no-brainer to me. This homeowner specifically that we're in right now loves the fact that he can now go and look into his wall from pre-drywall. So that process from beginning to end is exceptional for the homeowner, and it really eliminates a lot of issues for the builder. As CBP starts to transition into more of a scanning business, I see that iGUIDE is also transitioning into being a huge supporter of the scanning business.